Okay, so today we've got an ix35 proximity key. It's got a fault with it where this blade here should click into place, but it doesn't. It's just all free. There's a piece in here that has broken just inside there, and so now the customer's having to put sellotape around here to keep it together, and they actually lost the key, found it eventually. So we're going to show you how to sort that fault out. Okay, so what you need is a replacement case. You know, these are available on eBay. This is quite a nice case actually. So the first thing you need to do is to pull the blade out, which comes out nice and easy, obviously. That's why we're fixing it. Then just open the key by putting the screwdriver in there and giving it a twist. Again, that comes over quite nicely, and this is really straightforward little transfer over. Okay, stick that out of the way. Now in here, this circuit board needs to come out. Okay, so nice and careful. This here is, if you knock that off, the car won't start, so you just need to be a bit careful. So with this, take this out, but then the green circuit board is attached to this black cover, so let that, just keep that all that together, that's fine. Okay, so take care of that. Let's pop that out of the way for a minute. So on your new case, just take the blade out. We don't need that, so that can go out of the way. Then again, we're going to split open the case. Same deal. It's a bit tight getting open this, so open that up. And we need that, and we're going to take this black piece out, and we don't need that. So next thing we're going to do is this here is going to slide straight into there. It fits really nice. They've done a good job on the replacement case. Okay, and then we're going to take the new cover, clip it all together. That's all nicely clicking, so that means it's shut properly. Then we just need to make sure this light comes on here for each of the buttons. Okay, so that works, so we know it transmits. And last but not least, we've got the key blade that clips in, and you can pull it really hard and that won't come out. So that's how to repair your Hyundai ix35 key. Now you're good to go.